Hey everyone, Gil or Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about hats, specifically hats to protect your head from the sun. And some of you probably can say, well, you're wearing a ball cap, that's not going to protect your ears. It's true. I wear a bunch of different hats. Generally, I would just wear this one here because it does protect my head from the sun. You've got no hair up on top, wear something to protect it. Now, if you're out and going to be outside for a long period of time, hours on end, you'll want to get something to protect your ears a little bit better, especially if you're out like working in the garden. So when I'm doing something like that, I switch hats, and I wear something that protects my ears as well. So, think about what you're doing outside and ways you can. So think about what you're doing outside and how long you're going to be out there and what type of hat you're going to need to protect your head from the sun. And not just the rays, from the heat as well. This one here has a little bit of vent in it, so it keeps my head from overheating as well. All right, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish like walking around in the sun without a hat on for hours on end. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, including hats. Add a new skill every month. And try to grow something indoors year-round.